Hello, real estate investors. I'm outside a duplex that I've owned for now probably about 3 years, and just had one of the worst things that can happen to you if you're a real estate investor is one of your properties show up in the local news. So what happened here was apparently the guy had a warrant out for his arrest. The police showed up, and the article said he attempted to hide in a bathroom with an AR style rifle. Took about 2 hours to get him out, but it came out, nobody got hurt. And I think I know where, when they say attempting to hide, I think I know where he was trying to hide. I'll show you that later in the video. But let's go take a look in the garage first before we go into the apartment. And this was just a garage before, but for whatever reason, he built this wall. Still have a lot of stuff. This place was packed. His parents came by, and I saw a 1-800 got junk truck out here, so they got most of the junk out, but we're still left with all his shelves and all this crazy stuff he built in here. Luckily, the garage is probably one of the worst parts of it. The apartment's not horrible, but they did leave a couch, which I'm not looking forward to moving. But inside, there are tons of drywall patches that are going to need to be made. See that one there? Here's the couch. It's going to take a while to get this out of here. And just drywall patches everywhere that needs to be made. They also left their kitchen table. There's all kinds of food left in there. The fridge was full of food, but I came over, the electric was off over the weekend, so I came over and got all that out. More stuff. Look at this wall. Just holes everywhere. I'm going to replace these light fixtures as well. They look old. I'm probably going to paint all these brown doors. Paint them white. In here, they added a utility sink. So, not sure how that's plumbed in, but I'm going to remove that. That wasn't there before. More garbage. I don't think any of these shelves were here, but we'll just take them down. This room, I don't know what that is on the ceiling, but more garbage. The bathroom is really not too bad. There's not a lot to do in here. More garbage in this room, and a mattress, as always. Take a look at that carpet. Holy smokes. I'm hoping I can salvage this carpet. We'll see. Here's the master. More garbage. And this is the bathroom, I think, where he was trying to hide. As you can see, I did have an access panel here. That's knocked off, and the drywall's busted out. There's like a little room in here where you can access the shower valves and things. I think that when the article said he was attempting to hide in a bathroom, I think that's what they were talking about. So anyhow, that's the tour before. I'll try to make a video and show you what it looks like when we finish it. Thanks for watching.